Good morning. Today I am going to take the topic of division of decimals. So division of decimals, in which we are dividing the decimal number by a whole number. So first of all I am dividing the decimal by whole number. First of all I have taken 0.4 divided by 2. So the very first step, we will change the decimal into fraction. First of all remove the decimal and then change the division sign into multiplication sign and take up the reciprocal also. Reciprocal, and then do the cancellations at the table of 2. 2 के टेबल पे कैंसिल करोगे, 2 2s are 4. Now multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. It will come out to be 2 by 10. Again put the decimal again. The decimal that will come out to be 0.2. Similarly, for the second part, 0.35 divided by 5. First of all remove the decimal, it will become 35 by 100, and change the division sign into multiplication and take the reciprocal. Now do the cancellations. 5 7s are 35, so it will become 7 by 100. Again change it into the decimal 0.07, because in denominator we have 100, so after 2 digits from the right side decimal will be putting up. Next is 2.48 divided by 4. So first of all remove the decimal and it will become 248 by 100. After decimal there are 2 digits, so in denominator there will be 100, and multiply by 1 by 4, reciprocal of 4. Now do the cancellations. We will get 62 by 100, and 62 by 100 can be written as 0.62. Next is division of decimals by 10. So when we divide the decimal number by 10, what we have to do, we have to shift the decimal to the left hand side on by one place only. We have to shift one place on the left hand side. Clear? Or you can do the same way, remove the decimal, then take the reciprocal, put the multiplication sign, then multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So it will become 48 by 100 and you will get 0.48. Or directly it can be done by just shifting the decimal to one place left side. Clear? For division of decimals by 100, what we can do the same way as we were doing earlier, or we can shift the decimal to 2 places to the left direction. So we can shift the decimal 2 places to the left direction, okay, to the left side. Directly we can shift it. So this decimal will be shift to left hand side. It will become, and we have to shift it 2 places, 2 places left को shift कर देंगे. It will become 0.027. Similarly 0.3 divided by 100, again 2 places shift कर दोगे. If you are not given the number here, then you have to put the zeros only, okay, अपने आप 0 लिख दोगे and you have to shift the decimal to 2 places to the left hand side. It will become 0.003. Similar with the case of next, as we have taken 0.78 divided by 100. तो again 2 places आपने shift कर देना है. When we shift to the 2 places, we will get 0.0078. When we have to divide the number by 1000, what we can do, again 00 आगे लगा दो. It will become, as we have 7.9, तो 00 आगे लगा दोगे. Here we have to shift 3 places to the left side. 3 places हमने shift करनी है. Then its answer will be 0.0079. Similarly 26.3 divided by 1000, again you have to shift 3 places. 3 बार shift करोगे, 1 2 and then 3. It means the answer comes out to be 0.0263. Similar with the case of 0.5. अब 0.5 only one number is there. So what you can do, you have to just put the zeros in front of it and then shift 3 places, 1 2 and then 3. Here you will put the decimal. So answer will be 0.0005. Next is division of a whole number by decimal. Again the same way you have to solve it. First of all, remove the decimal here, then take the reciprocal, and then cancellations on the table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35, then 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So answer comes out to be 2. Similarly, 36 divided by 0.2. Now first of all, remove the decimal, then take the reciprocal, and then do the cancellations. Now see, when we are dividing 36 by 0.2, we are getting the answer 180, that is more. This is the magic with these numbers. Thank you so much. I hope you understand it.